Hey there, aspiring content creators and future YouTube moguls. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Samuel Miner, and today we're diving into a topic that has captured the imagination of many: how to make money on YouTube. If you're passionate about sharing your talents, knowledge, and creativity while earning a living, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll be your guide to unlocking the secrets of turning your YouTube channel into a lucrative venture. But before we dive into the money-making strategies, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our valuable tips and insights. All right, let's jump right into the exciting world of making money on YouTube. Segment 1. Building your brand and audience. The foundation of success on YouTube is a strong brand and an engaged audience. We'll explore how to define your niche, create content that resonates with your viewers, and cultivate a community that keeps coming back for more. Segment 2. Monetization options. Now let's talk about the various ways you can monetize your YouTube channel. From AdSense to YouTube Premium revenue, we'll break down the different avenues available and how to start earning from your videos. Segment 3. Affiliate marketing and sponsorships. Affiliate marketing and sponsorships are powerful strategies to boost your income. Learn how to partner with brands that align with your content and discover tips for authentic promotions that benefit both you and your viewers. Segment 4. Selling digital products. Creating and selling digital products like ebooks, courses, or presets can be a game changer. I'll share insights into identifying what your audience needs and how to package your expertise for sale. Segment 5. Crowdfunding and fan support. Crowdfunding platforms like Patreon and fan support through YouTube memberships can provide consistent income. We'll delve into building relationships with your biggest fans and offering exclusive perks. People search for a wide range of topics on YouTube, reflecting their diverse interests and needs. Here are some popular categories and specific topics that people commonly search for on YouTube. These are just a few examples, and there are countless other niches and topics that people search for on YouTube. The platform caters to a vast and diverse audience, making it a hub for learning, entertainment, and exploration across various fields. Section 1. Education and how-to. Tutorials. Cooking, crafts, makeup, DIY projects. Educational content. History, science, math. Language learning. Coding and programming tutorials. Educational channels for kids. Section 2. Fitness and wellness. Workout routines and exercises. Yoga and meditation guides. Healthy recipes and meal prep. Weight loss and fitness challenges. Mental health tips and discussions. Section 3. Gaming. Let's play videos. Gaming reviews and discussions. Tips and strategies for specific games. Esports and competitive gaming. Gaming hardware reviews and comparisons. Section 4. Travel and adventure. Travel vlogs and destination guides. Adventure and exploration videos, tips for budget travel and solo travel, cultural experiences and local cuisine. Section 5. Technology and gadgets, product reviews and unboxings, tech tutorials and guides, software and app recommendations, tech news and updates, how to troubleshoot common tech issues. Section 6. Lifestyle and fashion, fashion hauls and lookbooks, beauty routines and makeup tutorials, home organization and decor ideas, relationship advice and dating tips, personal development and motivation. Section 7. Finance and business, personal finance tips and budgeting advice, investment strategies and stock market updates, entrepreneurship and business advice, real estate investing and property management. These are just a few examples, and there are countless other niches and topics that people search for on YouTube. The platform caters to a vast and diverse audience, making it a hub for learning, entertainment, and exploration across various fields. Transition to conclusion. Making money on YouTube is an exciting journey that combines passion, creativity, and entrepreneurship. It's about leveraging your unique talents to build a sustainable online business. Conclusion. As we conclude this exploration, remember that your health journey is unique. Embrace the information you find, consult professionals when needed, and make choices that resonate with your goals. If you're as passionate about health and wellness as I am, hit that like button to show your support. And if you've got insights to share or questions you'd like us to address in future videos, drop a comment below. Stay curious, stay motivated, and stay committed to your health journey. This is Samuel from Make Money Online Mentor YouTube channel signing off. Until next time, take care of your body and nourish your soul.